Starting up the Pinterest for the Etsy shop in 2025 is a pretty simple thing to do. And in this video, I will be telling you exactly how you guys can do it. So, if you are new to the channel, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. I will be providing the business.pinterest.com link in the description below so you guys can check it out. It is also available right over here so you guys can simply copy and paste it. So I have made a complete brief guide and I will show you in this video how exactly you guys can do it. But this is a brief guide. Uh, Step by step, you can pause the video and check it out how you guys can do it if you miss any step. So first thing first, we need to create a Pinterest business account. So here is the Pinterest business website. Simply go ahead and click on sign up and it will redirect you to the business page. Here, enter your email address, your password. So this is how you guys can get a free business account. So simply go ahead and click on continue. So now what you have to do is to describe your business. If you're an online merchant or a marketplace, consumer goods, service provider, content creator, publisher, or media agency, and others. So for you, you're gonna just go ahead and click on online merchant or marketplace, name of your business. So it is better if you keep it the Etsy shop and the region. You can select any of the region. If you don't have a website, just simply click on I don't have a website. What's your business goal? Generate more leads, increase online sale, and what's the focus of your brand? Is you can select any of the others. And interested in running ads on Pinterest? Yes, I'm interested in advertising, and then click on the done button. So now just wait a second till your account is booted up completely. Till then, we will look forward to the other points. Now, what we have to do is to go ahead and claim your Etsy shop. Let's go to the setting, then claim, then select Etsy, and follow the steps to verify. So wait till the Pinterest business totally gets boot up, and here just go to the claim, and then you can claim different sort of accounts. You can claim a free website. Just go ahead and click on that. And now this is how you guys can do it. So the next steps are created organized boards, designed eye-catching pins, enable rich pins, schedule pins, and run Pinterest ad, monitor analytics. So these are some steps that you need to follow in order to do so. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.